Hi everyone. Well, spring is in the air. It's sunny out, a little chilly, but I'll take it. And I just arrived at Aldi's to see what is in their Aldi Finds aisle. And as I come in, look at these. They're reversible indoor-outdoor area rugs. And they have these designs. They are 6 foot by 9 foot, and I'll bring the camera up so you can see them and what the colors look like. They're very lovely, and those are only $24.99. And right next door, let me move over, they're the Dolores folding rockers, and this is what they look like. They are $49.99. Not going to take them out of the big boxes, but they have them in a tan and a gray. And then moving right along, here are the 9 foot aluminum umbrellas, and they are $39.99. And it looks like they have gray, I don't know, they have covers on them, but on the box, you can see they have a gray, it looks like a green, and then there's a stripe. And those are your outdoor aluminum umbrellas. Here are umbrella tables by Balavy, and it looks like they have wool gray. And they are $16.99 each. Lots of garden soil if you need it. They're 1 cubic foot bags. It says for flowers, vegetables, trees, and shrubs, and they contain organic fertilizer. It's that 0.10, 0.06, 0.10, 10, 6, 10. And those are $3.99 a bag. Well, those crazy wiggly head owls are still here from the last 2 weeks. I guess they have some left, and they are $9.99 each for your garden. There's a few boxes left of the ladies' garden boots for $12.99. They come in like a, I don't know, it's like a burgundy color, and then a couple of different designs. And they are sizes, it looks like they have 7, 8, 9, and 10 left. Here we have some director's chairs. They're $44.99, and they're by Adventure Ridge. And they come in like a green, a cream, and a blue color. Here they have bunches of red or white geraniums. They're calling them faux floral drop-in geraniums, and they're $12.99 a bunch, so I guess you can put them in your planters. These are all in boxes. I can't take them out, but they're by Balavy, and they're called C-shaped tables. I'll try to get in so you can see a picture on the box, and they are $29.99. Here's your choice of Balavy's solar glass stakes, and this is the colors they come in. They have a few left. They're like mercury glass. They're red, blue, and green, and they are $12.99 each. Up here are some interesting bird feeders. They're dark wood and a natural wood, and they have 2 areas of netting in them, where I guess you hang them and then you just put your seed in there. And then they have green rocking chairs. So those bird feeders are your choice for $9.99. For your fur babies, they have your choice of heart to tail snuffle toys. And they show you on the box the different ones they have. I think this one is supposed to be a hot dog. I don't know. But they are $4.99 each. And next to them are those treat dispenser toys. And they have different shapes here and colors. And they are also $4.99 each. Up here are the Belavi solar decorative metal lanterns, and they have them in a copper color and black. Shows you on the box a few other colors, but the copper and black are the only ones I'm seeing right now. Up top here are expandable wooden plant stands. I'll get closer so you can see what they look like. And they are $9.99 each. Down below are the Heart to Tail foldable pet travel mats. And it looks like they have it in a cream color and sort of a green. And they have the pictures on the box. Looks like they have handles on the side, and then they open up for your fur baby to lay on and be comfortable. Up here are animal silhouette stakes. So they have the dog, the bunny, and the cat. So here's the bunny. I see the cat here. I guess the dog must be in the back of the box. But those are all $4.99 each. Here are more snackables. Looks like they have a couple of different shapes. I see a hexagon one here, and there's a rectangle one, and there's different colors, and there's snack containers or snackle boxes, and they are, let me see, $3.99 each. Over here are quilted outdoor blankets, and they come in 4 different designs. They're for outdoors, and they're $16.99 each. Up here are umbrella lights for your outdoor umbrella. And they are $9.99 each. These are very cute. These are ice or freeze pops. And look at that. Those are ice cream cones. And back here are all sport balls on the top of the handle. They're $4.49 for the set. Shows you on the box. They have either bows, sports, ice cream cones, classic, or ice packs. I think the sport balls and I think the ice pops are adorable. Up here are magnetic wireless power banks. And it looks like they have a sports theme going here. You can see the different kinds they have on the box. It says magnetic wireless power bank, and they are $9.99 each. Here are 4 packs of rubber and practice baseballs. And here you can see there's a box of white, box of yellow, and then they have the 2-tone, and they are $9.99 for the box. Here's Lily and Dan's toddler or children's rain jackets, and their size is 3T to medium. Oh, I'm sorry, 3T to large. And here you can see the pictures on the boxes. The different designs. There's like a green, and there's pink. It's like rainbows. There's a purple, and it shows you on the box the 4 different colors and designs that they come in. There's none out, and I don't want to get in people's way, but for $9.99 there is Lily and Dan's toddler or children rain boots. And you can see, I see purple, green, It looks like they all match the rain jackets, and those are $9.99 each. And it looks like I see the different sizes, like 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There's 13 to 1. So those are the children's rain boots. I can't get behind the pole, but for $4.99, Heart to Tail is offering you pet grooming tools. And they show you on the box the different ones. There's the nail clipper, the slicker brush, and the shedder rake. So there you go. Here are ladies' either boot cut or wide leg jeggings. And it looks like they come in like washed out black color and a dark denim. And their size is small through extra large, and they're $9.99 each. They really took care of the fur babies this Wednesday. These are pet rain jackets for $6.99. And I see on the box the different designs. They're cute. One has cherries on it. One looks like a frog. I'm not really sure. And they're reversible to a solid color. So there you go. Does your pet need a rain jacket? Here are ladies' geometric slide sandals for $7.99. This one happens to be an animal print. And I see a tan in there. And I see black, and it looks like the sizes are maybe 7 through 10. Here's something for the men. These are 2-piece short pajama sets for $7.99. And they come in sizes small through extra, extra large. And on the box, they're showing you the different designs or patterns they come in. Here for the ladies are 4 packs of the viscose from bamboo bikini underwear. And they are sizes small through extra large. They're $6.99 for a 4-pack. And these are the colors and designs that they come in. Up here are foldable duffel tote or backpacks. You can see on the box the different styles you have to pick from, and they come in either a blue or a black, and they are $4.99 each. Here is your muffin or cupcake carrier. They have it in a pink and a light blue, and they are $9.99 each. These are stone drying caddies, and you get a 2-pack of the drying caddy, and they show you a picture of them here on the box. And here's one in the box, and they are $6.99 for your 2-pack. Down here are your Crofton glass bake and store sets. Looks like they come in either the oval, which is red, or the rectangle, which is navy. And of course, the glass is clear. And your choice is $9.99 each. These are vented glass food storage containers, and they are $4.99 each. And it looks like they are different sizes, and they have different color lids. Up here are Crofton speckled ceramic brazier or saute pan. And it looks like they have that green color and cream, and they are $16.99 each. Here's a variety of, I guess they are like it says shindy rugs. They're like those woven type rugs. And they come in different patterns here. I see a dark gray, a light gray, and a white. I see multicolor. I see cream and different shades of tan. And they're 30 by 46 inches, and they're $5.99 each. Here's your Crofton 8-piece storage bowl set. You get 4 bowls and 4 lids. And it looks like most of the colors, well, I see are like a peach and a blue, and I'm not sure if they're the same colors inside or not. Let me open this one and see. Hold on a minute. Yes, whatever the color is on the outside, it looks like that's what the other 3 bowls are. And those are $6.99 for the set. Here's a box of recycled utensils, and they all have the wooden lid, the wooden handles. You have your choice here of the different ones, and they are $3.99 each. Here's your choice of either reusable straws. This one happens to be glitter. These over here seem to be curved, and then they also have the toppers for the straws. Here's a picture on the box, and they are $3.99 each. This is a good buy. This is a 2-pack of Crofton stainless steel bottles, and they are $12.99 each. And they show you on here the different colors they come in, but right now I'm mostly seeing the pink and the blue. Here's Mrs. Meyer's cleaner. She's got the clean day cleaners, and they are, let me see, lavender, or you can get lemon, and they're it looks like